Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. So, sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been a little busy with work and I've been fighting off a little bit of a cold right now and I couldn't really talk too much. So, I'm starting to feel a little bit better, so I decided, okay, let's get back into our robot car making, right? So, the first part of the video is just going to be basically explaining what I'm going to do next. So the next project is going to be installing this Wi-Fi shield to the car so that I will be able to control it with my phone or my iPad, I guess. So I don't have to use that little, where is it? So I don't have to use the remote con, which, it worked. But I felt that the, what's the word I'm looking for? I felt that the movement, I guess, or the, I don't know, it seemed to be lacking. It would like, it wasn't like, wah. So anyways, yeah, so I hope that the movement will be improved by using the Wi-Fi version. So with that being said, let me go ahead and get it installed. So hold on a moment. All right, here we are. So I got everything installed on it. It actually took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. I had apparently skipped a step. I had forgotten to install this obstacle detection sensor here. So I had to go ahead and install that and make sure it was working. And then once I got that installed, I went and installed the Wi-Fi shield and got all the cables checked and whatnot and got the coding uploaded. So let's go ahead and see if it'll work. So I haven't tested this yet. What it's supposed to do is move forward a few seconds, move backward a few seconds, and then spit around after I turn it on. So let's go ahead and see. Oh. Oh. Well, it worked. So I think I need to cover that. Let's go turn it off. Well, it worked. Yeah. Cool. So obviously I knocked over my camera. But it worked. So all right, we'll see what the next step is. Hold on. Right, so I went ahead and got the app installed on my iPad. I also installed it on my phone, but I can't record if I'm using my phone to control it as I'm recording on my phone. So, oh well, we're going to use the iPad. But I did notice that there is a little bit of input lag from when I press the forward button to when it actually moves or when it stops or whatever. And I blame that on my Wi-Fi or my router, as my router is just not that good. So it's probably the problems I have with R2-D2 as well, but whatever. It is what it is. So let's go ahead and try it out. So just go ahead and push forward here. There it goes. Push back, stops, and stop it right before it knocks over the camera again. There we go. And we can go ahead and stop it just like that. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's all right, though. I don't know if there's any direct Wi-Fi to my iPad, or if I'm going to have to be connected to the internet. I'm not sure. So, but there is another lesson to do, so we're going to go ahead and see what that is. I'll be back soon. Well, just as I said I would go do the next lesson, I did. And it was just uploading more code that I really didn't understand yet. It was a direct Wi-Fi connection to the car, so it's pretty cool. Let's see if it'll work. Yeah, there it goes. The input lag seems to be a little bit better than connecting through my Wi-Fi. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, anyways, I think I'm really happy with the way this project is turning out. Yeah, is it the best robot? No. But am I really happy with it? Yeah, I am. And I've learned a lot about it. You know, I've learned a lot about these little different sensors and whatnot that hopefully I can apply to my own future projects in the future. Yeah, but for now, anyways, thanks for watching. I think there is maybe another couple lessons to do with this car, but I don't know what they are yet. So I'm going to check those out soon. So, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.